Hey, Em, where are we going today?
The Finger Lakes.
The Finger Lake regions. Follow us on this journey as we try to see as many falls as we can in one weekend. First stop, we're gonna actually go get some Chick-Fil-A's because it's the only thing that's keto friendly out here. We're actually just made it to the Poconos, and we got a little bit much more to go. We gotta go up north now, going up like Scranton, and then so we can get to the Finger Lakes. Mary, what are you gonna get Chick-Fil-A's?
Not sure.
Well, I'm gonna get the grilled little chicken nuggets with some ranch dressing. All right, so let's go make it a keto morning. So we just made it over to Chick-fil-A, and as you can see, it's pretty packed. Double lines. We're in the Poconos. So from the Poconos, now we got to work our way all the way up north. We got to pass Scranton, Dixon City, and then we'll end up by the Finger Lake region. Meryl, how do you feel so far?
Tired.
Tired? She's only been in the road for like an hour and a half. Well, I guess so, right? All right, so good news. We just got to our first trail. We're currently in Wolfe Park up in upstate New York. Past Binghamton, I would say about 4 or 5 miles. It's just a little private park, and we're gonna go check out our first waterfall. Upstate New York Adventure Part 1. Come on, Em. You can see Em's already excited, and we're about to go in. Mara's gonna go look for that frog. Cute little park so far. Some lost sandals. Hopefully they'll find an owner again. Wow, look at that dragonfly.
Is that what they are?
And some butterflies too as well. Dragonflies and...
I don't think I've seen one like that.
When we got to the waterfall, we had to say mission complete and run back to the car as it started raining pretty hard.
So this is what I'm looking for, Shequaga Falls. We actually got here, and now we're gonna go take a look at it. Now this is about 2.2 miles away from Watkins Glen, so if you're curious, look it up on your GPS. Highly recommend you stop in this town, and you have to look at this view. This view is amazing. Let's go take a look. So now we're currently at Hector Falls, next to Seneca Lake, and it's actually in between the highway, so I had to climb up and go into the highway. I'm going to take you close to the falls so you guys can see how it looks. So this is so epic right now. So if you're in Seneca Lake, and you just left Watkins Glen, an additional 2 more miles will take you over here to Hector Falls, and you can literally just walk in and get wet. So I highly recommend this fall. So far I've been to a couple of falls, and this one, wow, you can really experience it. All right, so I've been here for quite a bit of time now, getting my feet wet, enjoying this waterfall. It's time to head out. I don't know what Mariel's been looking for. She's been looking for some rocks, I guess, for the pet gerbil that we have back at home. But so far, thumbs up. Gotta check out again Hector Falls. All right, I'm out of here. We just left the waterfalls. We drove all the way down to Seneca Lake, and here's where we're at. Mariel's looking at this snake that's actually swimming inside the water. I was trying to capture him in the camera, but I just couldn't capture him. But very interesting little snake guy. And as I'm turning around, you're gonna see there's some people, there's some folks out in the water right now. Seneca Lake, isn't she beautiful? And how do you feel so far? You're not tired? It's like 3 waterfalls in one day. So we made it over to the Hilton. Montour, so I'm staying at 321 at the garden. They put this Lysol clean thing on the door to make sure that you guys know that it's nice and clean. Bathroom's over here. I think I'm gonna close this bathroom. Oops. Nice shower. Bathroom. And then there's this closet. As we continue, microwave set up, Keurig coffee, so forth. And this is the bed. All right, guys, so this is what I ended up getting for dinner for today. I got a chef salad. I also got over here some hard salami wrapped with some mozzarella, and I got myself a diet green tea, which has absolutely no sugar whatsoever. So this is gonna be dinner, and I think you guys already saw what I had for lunch on my road trip. I ended up having some Chick-Fil-A, so it looks like I'm gonna be A-okay, and it looks like I'm gonna be good to go.
For videos, please make sure to click on subscribe and also click on that bell so you can get our latest and greatest notifications. Thank you.